Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a great remedy that is great for anti-aging problems. If you have those dullness on your skin, or you actually do not even like the way your skin is, looking. Now this home remedy is going to help you to whoop out all of those age-related problems, and you are going to be loving it. Okay, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Do consider subscribing, thumbs up, and let me take you right into this video. Alright guys, so to get a flawless and an ageless skin, you're going to be needing to use tomato. Now tomato is great for the skin because it contains a lightening property that helps to remove dead skin cells, and it lightens up the skin. It also helps to renew and remove age-related problems such as wrinkles and fine lines. It tightens up the pores, removing all unwanted hair. Guys, what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna be blending the tomato. You can as well just put your tomato in a blender and blend it, but for me, I'll be creating it because it's actually faster for me to just get the juice out of this. So after doing that, I'll have to be turning it into a smaller bowl, and I'm not going to be sieving it out, okay? I'll actually have to be using it this way. And then the next powerful ingredient is going to be Fuller's Earth clay powder. Now Fuller's Earth is a natural yet very wonderful clay powder that helps to absorb excessive oil. It therefore helps to strengthen your skin, and it closes a large and open pores. So using it alongside with this other natural remedy would help you so much to give you that even and a younger skin. So I'm actually going to be putting 1 teaspoon of that into this tomato paste, and to make that better, I would have to be stirring this all up, and this is really nice. So we're gonna be putting in egg. Now egg has a natural astringent property that helps to tighten up the skin. Combining it with Fuller's Earth clay powder alongside with tomato would help you to give you a younger skin and a more smoother skin. So how you're going to do that is that we're going to be breaking just a little part of this egg, and then we're just going to be putting just some little quantity of the egg whites into this ingredients, and then to make that better, we'll have to stir it. Man, this is a great remedy, guys. It will do so much. Okay, so the last ingredient you're going to be putting in that will be very effective is going to be Vaseline. Now if you do not actually use Vaseline on your skin that much, you can actually replace it with coconut oil or olive oil, and it's going to be very perfect because you need some good amount of oil on your skin to stay hydrated, okay? And that's why we're using petroleum jelly alongside with other natural remedy to give us that even and a younger skin. So I'm going to be scooping out just a little quantity of this petroleum jelly into this mix, and that will be better, guys. So I'm actually going to be mixing it. Now mixing Fuller's Earth with egg sometimes used to take a lot of time, okay, but you have to be patient while mixing it, because if you don't mix it really well, you're not going to see the results very well. Okay, so you have to mix and mix really good, and then you begin to see that everything is going to come in together and be like one, and then poof, you have your ingredients. Okay, now it's properly mixed, and then for this, guys, you can actually use it once or twice in a week for a flawless and a very smooth skin. Okay guys, so this is actually the ingredients, and yeah, for today again I'm going to be using my sister as a model. Yes, now the one thing about wrinkles and fine lines is that you also have to prevent it. Okay, you do not actually wait for it to like peel off your face and actually make you look old. So you're going to be needing a brush, and then you're going to take this, and then you're going to apply it onto your face generously. Now it is also ideal that you would refrigerate this treatment or this ingredient, so that it gives you that utmost result. Okay, so that when it gets onto your skin, it like tighten up all of your pores. And also, if you have a saggy skin or rough skin, it's going to help to tighten it up. Okay, you know, the coolness of it would help to tighten up your skin. When you apply it, you're going to be feeling it really cool, and man, your result is going to be very visible after you do that. Okay, so you prepare it, and then you put it in the refrigerator, and woof, it helps you so much to tighten it all up. Just about 10 minutes in the refrigerator would be perfect to tighten up your loose skin. And if you're having a loose jawline around this area, you can also apply this, and you're great to go. So applying it in like you have to apply it and apply it again, like 2 coats. Okay, so that when it dries, it's just going to, you know, hold your skin really well. And I love the smell. It doesn't smell really bad. Okay, so what you do is that you have to use your 2 hands, and then you gently scrub it, okay, in a circular motion, especially those places in which you are experiencing some problems, like some wrinkles and some, you know, sagginess. You would have to scrub it in a circular motion. Okay, just like that. Play. So after you scrub it, so after you scrub this, you have to, you know, leave it for it to dry. You have to leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, if you're in a place where it's breezy, at most 5 minutes is dry. Now when it's dry, then you wash it off and use this treatment at most once or twice in a week, and your result would be achieved. Yeah. So guys, that's it. Use this just like I've earlier said in the video, and it's going to be very helpful. It's going to help you so much in removing dark spot also, and it's going to remove all of those age related problems, and your skin is going to be so super duper flawless, and you are going to be good to go. So if you do enjoy watching it, please do consider subscribing, thumbs up and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and bye guys.